Hello guys, how to fix KB5030211 update failed to install in Windows 10 22 H2 update. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is go to Windows search, type disk cleanup and open disk cleanup in your system and choose the drive C and click OK. And it will clean up your disk and make the check against all options, temporary files, recycle bin, thumbnails, and choose OK. It will clean up your disk space. It may be a cause of Windows update failed to install. The next workaround is go to this PC, open C drive, go to Windows. Here look for software distribution folder where all download is installed. Here choose download and select all the downloaded features and delete all to make extra space for your future download updates. The next workaround is go to settings, under system settings, go to troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and here run the Windows update troubleshooter. The next workaround to fix this Windows update error is go to run command box by pressing Win+R shortcut key and here choose services.msc to open services windows. And in services windows, first go to background intelligence transfer service, BITS service. Right click on it and choose start. If you found already in a start mode, then simply restart it. Thereafter apply a double click on it to open and a startup type set as automatic. Click apply and OK to save the changes. The next services is Windows update service and is also. The next one is go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode and execute the Windows update components as shown on a screen. All these components should be executed one by one and command prompt Windows followed by enter key on each times. All this command path will also available in my video description. You may copy from there. Don't forget to press enter on each command entry and after that restart your system and check whether your update error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes and the next one is download updates manually. Go to Microsoft Update Catalog from your browser. Here click on Microsoft Update Catalog. Look for update and search and download manually. That's all.